Ready?
Let's go.
You've seen this part.
I could be a lover, I could be a friend, I could be the one to walk beside you to the end. You know I count for something, the first one that you found. I could be your shoulder till another comes around.
Alright, first impressions of the ORU Kayak lake is it's a lot of fun. It's super easy to launch, it's lightweight so it goes in easy, easy to get in and out of. It paddles pretty true, it doesn't have a skeg or a fin on the bottom, so considering it doesn't have one of those, it still tracks pretty straight. It glides through the water really well. It has a pretty flat bottom in it. I thought maybe it would just kind of sit on top of the water and you'd get pushed around. But surprisingly, you sit below the water level by maybe 3 inches or so. So it's down in the water, giving you good stability. As far as lateral stability, very good. You try to tip it over and she won't let you go over. You really got to try to capsize this thing to get it over. So first impressions, first time out, pretty good. A couple minor complaints which could be user error, and we'll just have to figure out as we go. The seat backs are a little low, so the support is low and your back could get tired. But I think if we tighten the straps up a little more before we get into it, it would be a little more comfortable. And the optional footrest in there, I just got to play with it to find the right position for that. And also my big feet don't quite fit into the front of the boat all that well. I got to kind of put it at an angle, but again, that could just be part of figuring out the footrest. Worth waiting for. They're too expensive. No, it's really not, considering what it is. It's only $5.99, I think. And where are you going to store it? Well, it folds down really small. You can store it just about anywhere. You don't have to strap it to the car. So, yeah, really, we ran out of excuses, didn't we? Yeah, should have done this sooner. Bonk. Excuse my butt.